Hello students, this is my 11th lecture on the topic trigonometric functions. Let us revise. In last lecture we have seen the results for -1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Also for x belongs to R, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. And for x is greater than or equal to 1, cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x equal to pi by 2. First result, if x is positive, y is positive and the product xy is less than 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So proof. Let us consider student tan inverse x equal to theta and tan inverse y equal to phi. So student, this tan theta equal to x and tan phi equal to y. As x is positive, y is positive. So student, this theta lies between open interval 0 to pi by 2 and also phi lies between open interval 0 to pi by 2, which is the principal value branch of tan inverse. So student, adding above inequalities we have 0 less than theta plus phi is less than pi by 2 plus pi by 2, which is equal to 2 pi by 2. 2 will get cancelled. We have less than pi, that is 0 is less than theta plus phi, it's less than pi. Call it as equation 1. We know student, tan of theta plus phi equal to tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So student, tan theta is our x, tan phi is our y. Substitute it here. So tan theta plus phi equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. As student, x is positive, y is positive and the product xy less than 1. Means here x, y and 1 minus xy are all positive. X, y and 1 minus xy are all positive. So student, our RHS is also positive, that is x plus y upon 1 minus xy is positive from above. See student, what we have in last page, tan of theta plus phi equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. See, this quantity is positive, so left hand side is also positive, that is tan of theta plus phi is positive. Call it as equation 2. Now from this student we can write theta plus phi belongs to open interval 0 to pi by 2, which is principal value branch of tan inverse. So by using 1 and 2. So student, this we can write as tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy equal to theta plus phi. See student, from this we will write it. Theta plus phi equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, since it satisfies the principal value branch of tan inverse. What is our theta and phi students? So theta is nothing but tan inverse x, phi is nothing but tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Hence proved. See student, this is very important property of tan inverse. We'll see more properties of tan inverse function. Just now we have seen if x is positive, y is positive and the product xy less than 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Also student, if x is positive, y is positive and this product xy is greater than 1, see the difference between these two, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi plus tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Next result is x is positive, y is positive and the product xy equal to 1. Then what happened? See, in first result if we substitute xy equal to 1 means 1 minus 1, this will get 0, something upon 0 which does not exist. At what angle tan does not exist? Which is at 90, means at pi by 2. So we have next property as tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi by 2 if xy equal to 1. And the last property, if x is positive, y is positive, then tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. See student, while solving example, we have to just see the equality of this product, that is whether it is less than 1 or greater than 1 or equal to 1, and then apply the formula for it. First example, prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Solution, consider LHS student equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. So this is 2 times tan inverse 1 by 3. So we'll write it as tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 is positive. So we'll apply first formula there, that is tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 minus 1 by 9 equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3 upon the denominator will be 9 ones are 9 minus 1 upon 9, that is 8 by 9. After taking reciprocal of it we have 9 by 8 equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. So we have 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, which is nothing but tan inverse 3 by 4, which is our required RHS, hence proved. Such type of examples are asked for 2 marks students for short answer question. Second example, if tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. Solution, given tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. Now using formula, we have tan inverse of 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x equal to pi by 4, where 2x is greater than 0 and 3x is greater than 0. We are using formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So which is equals to tan inverse of 2x plus 3x, it's 5x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x, 1 minus 6x square equal to pi by 4. So student, we will shift this tan into right hand side, which will become tan of pi by 4. So we have 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equal to tan pi by 4, which is nothing but 1. Therefore, after solving we have 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. See student, this is a quadratic equation in x. So it has two roots. So we will factorize it. Therefore, 6x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. So from first we will take 6x common. So we have x plus 1 into 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, students, x plus 1 equal to 0 gives us x equal to minus 1, or 6x minus 1 equal to 0 gives us x equal to 1 by 6. But students, see, x is positive. Therefore, x equal to minus 1, which is not applicable. So, x equal to 1 by 6. Such type of examples are asked for 3 marks. Third example, prove that tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to theta by 2. Solution. Now student, first of all consider 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Using submultiple angle theorem of trigonometric functions. Now here 2 will get cancelled. Sin square upon cos square gives us tan square theta by 2. Now taking square root of both sides, we have root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to root of tan square theta by 2. See student, this square and square root get cancelled, gives us tan of theta by 2. Now consider our LHS equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now from above substitute the value equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2. See student, tan inverse of tan theta by 2 gives us theta by 2, since tan inverse of tan x equal to x. So which is our required RHS, hence proved. Fourth example, prove that 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, where minus 1 is less than x is less than 1. Solution. Let us consider student, tan inverse x equal to y. So from this x equal to tan y. Now consider our RHS, substitute there x as tan y. So RHS equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, which equal to tan inverse of 2 tan y upon 1 minus tan square y, which is nothing but our tan inverse of tan 2y equal to 2y, using which result student, tan inverse of tan x equal to x. So here tan inverse of tan 2y gives us 2y. But what is our y? Y is our tan inverse x. So substitute it here. So which is our LHS. Hence proved. Now solve the examples from exercise 3.3 and also from miscellaneous exercise. Thank you.